So, there's a question that people have asked throughout all of time. Can you microwave bread to make toast? Many great philosophers have thought about this, discussed it, but nobody actually put it into practice. That is what we're doing today. We're going to see if you can microwave bread in a microwave and make it into toast. Doesn't matter. It's aesthetic. It makes it feel more real, more like you're in the video with us. Oh crap. You don't have a smoker. You really?
Le chef. Oh, it actually smells horrible.
Well, I think we should get a knife.
We should probably take this outside. Oh my goodness. Is it like cemented? It's cemented to the plate. It's actually like, there we go. Just gonna.
Yeah, it comes off pretty easily.
I bet it melts in your mouth. This is the prime cut. Just like how every chef has done it.
Oh, get that cross section.
It's burnt all the way through.
Oh, that is delicious. Are you gonna try it?
Bring her up for the taste test. Look at that thing. It is burnt all the way through.
Hold on, why don't we... This is vengeance for what this banana has done to me. Actually, I was actually gonna eat that.